today let's start with chapter number first, how, when, and where. In this chapter, we will study about history, importance of dates in the history. Now, since the earlier time, historians have been debating on dates of history, when rulers were crowned and when the battles were. So, history has been often linked with dates, and they're especially true in political history, where specific dates mark significant events. For instance, when a king came to power and when he got married and what better he was, way. History is all about changes that happen over time, helps us to understand how things were in the past and how they have changed in the present और कैसे ये present में change हो गई. The past is often referred to as before, ये आप सबको पता होगा. Present means up. And many of things granted and do not think about historical questions. We rarely considered whether what we see today always be this way or not. Sometimes, though, we are curious about history of certain things. Have you ever wondered when tea was invented? कभी आपने सोचा है कि when was tea invented? These questions about time take back to the concept of time, but it is important to know that the time is not always about taking it of one. Pinpointing an exact date for the beginning of an event is often very difficult. For instance, it is not easy to determine exact date when the national movement began. In history, we can usually only refer to an approximate time span of an event. In history, we explore how people earned their livelihood and what they produce and how cities developed, how new ideas emerged, and how culture and society changed over time. कि कैसे कैसे जो सोसाइटी है और कल्चर जो है वो टाइम टू टाइम चेंज. Which dates are important? There are many dates that are important. Not all dates. We make dates important by focusing on particular event जो occurred. जब हम फोकस करते हैं कि उस पर्टिकुलर डेट पे क्या इवेंट अकर हुआ है, in the history written by the British historian, date play a significant role because they mark appointments. इसमें क्या होता है, important appointments होते हैं गवर्नर्स के और रिटायरमेंट होते हैं आपके गवर्नर जनरल. Now, like Warren Hastings coronation as the first governor general and end of British rule with the last voice. और आपके जैसे आपके लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, ये कौन थे, हमारे लास्ट वाइस रॉय थे. एंड वी हैव हैस्टिंग, लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली, बेंटिक, डलहाउजी, रिपन, कर्जन, इल्विन, ये सारे क्या हैं, हमारे वाइस रॉय है इस इवेंट. हिंदू तो ऑप्शन यूज अ स्पेशल कैलेंडर. ये स्पेशल कैलेंडर का यूज करते हैं, जूलियन कैलेंडर कहते हैं. ये यहाँ पे हिस्टोरिक डेट्स को कैलकुलेट करते हैं. And this calendar was introduced by Julius Caesar in 45 BC and was used for centuries. तो इसका सेंचुरी से यूज करा गया था. And how do we periodize? हम कैसे करते हैं? In 1870, Scottish political philosopher जिसका नाम था जेम्स ह्यूम, he wrote 3 volumes. जिसको क्या कहते हैं, A History of British India, and will divide Indian history into 3 periods: हिंदू, मुस्लिम एंड ब्रिटिश. जो मैथड था डिवाइड का, ये हमें अंडरस्टैंड करवाता था what changes occurred from one period to another. Apart from Mill's classification, British historian divided India history into 3 periods. जो ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियन से उन्होंने इंडियन हिस्ट्री को 3 पीरियड में डिवाइड करा, एंशिएंट, मेडिवल एंड मॉडर्न. ठीक है, और जो पीरियडाइजेशन है वो एक यूनिक था इंडियन हिस्ट्री के लिए, और इट इज एम टू क्रिएट अ division that portrayed British rule, progressive and modern. What is meant by colonialism? The British first came to India as trader, but eventually they established themselves as conquerors. उन्होंने अपने को as a conqueror establish करा, like local राजाज और नवाब. They gained control. उन्होंने कंट्रोल का इकोनॉमी पे, रेवेन्यू कलेक्टिंग पे, buying commodities at low prices, and producing profit. British rule brought about significant changes in politics, culture, society, and the economy. The period is referred to as colonialism. Now, administration produces records. If we talk about official records of British administration, they serve as an important sources of understanding this period of history. British rulers believed that every instruction, plan, policy, discussion, agreement, and investigation should be meticulously documented. It was crucial for proper study and debate, and librarians carefully preserved their official records, creating numerous archives for the study. While these records provide valuable information, it is important to interpret them carefully, and they were written from perspective of British officials, so they may have overlooked certain issues for modifying certain aspects. सर्वेज भी कैरी आउट करे जाते थे. Now, under colonial administration, detailed survey become essential. On 19th century में जो extensive surveys they were conducted और to map the country. ठीक है, और वहाँ के रेवेन्यू को एसेस करने में, उनके फ्लोरा और फौना को स्टडी करने में, उनकी टोपोग्राफी को एनालाइज करने में, और उनकी क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न क्या है उसको समझने में. Village level revenue surveys also carried out, and towards the end of 19th century, census were conducted जो आपको डिटेल demographic information provide करते हैं about the region. Surveys were also conducted in fields of botany, zoology, archaeology, and forestry. What official records do not tell. While official records offer insights from an official point of view, but they do not tell us about the daily lives of the people during that time. To learn about, we need to explore other sources. These might include diary of individual accounts of travelers, biographies of important figures, stories of leaders, and recorded historians of the colonial period often overlook the life of tribals, peasants, and other ordinary people. So, gap tha, wo address हुआ only after the independence. Right? In this chapter, I have told you about the administration of the colonial period. Colonialism के बारे में हमने पढ़ा. Now I will start with the exercise of the chapter. Pick the correct option. What do historians debate about in history? Importance of rulers, the dates of historical events, significance of war या फिर origin. So the dates of historical events. Why are specific dates important in political history? To mark the start or end of something, या to indicate changes in the leadership, to represent religious festivals, or to symbolize their cultural tradition, to indicate changes in leadership. How do historians refers to past and present? Before and after. Now, the British rule brought about changes in politics, culture, society. We know. Why it is often challenging to pinpoint the exact date of historical event? Because people did not record dates in the past. The calendar system was different in the past, and events happened gradually over time. If a historian did not find important, calendar जो था वो different. Now fill in the blanks with correct answer. In history, we study how dash earn their livelihood and how culture and society change over time. How people earn their livelihood. Now, British historian divided India history into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. The British rule in India is often referred to as, इसको क्या बोला जाता है, crown rule. Then, official records of the British administration serve as an important source for understanding history. To learn about the daily lives of the people during colonial time, we need to explore sources like diary, accounts of travelers, and biography. Now, match the item on the left with the appropriate description. First is Hindu. देखो ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है, सर्वे आपका डिटेल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ स्टडीज है. ठीक है. कॉलोनिज्म, ब्रिटिश क्या थे आपके, द ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया. कॉलोनिज्म ये आपका मॉडर्न में आ जाता है, हिंदू आपका एंशियंट में आ जाता है, और मुस्लिम आपका मेडिवल में. राइट. Now state whether the statement are true or false. History is primarily about specific dates and rulers' action. It's true. Official records of the British administration are unbiased source of historical. False. The British came to India as a conqueror and traders. It's true. Detailed surveys were not conducted during the colonial age. और record historians of the colonial period recorded the histories हैं आपकी colonial period की ये comprehensive insights देती है in the lives of ordinary age. Now answer the following question in short. What is history often linked with? आपकी जो history है वो किसके साथ linked है? Give an example of specific date in political history. Now what do historians exclude in history? How do we make dates important? डेट्स अब हाँ लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाती है कि हम गवर्नर्स कौन थे मतलब अपनी पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री के बारे में जान हु रोट अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटिश इन इंडिया व्हाट डिड ही डिवाइड थ्री पार्ट एंशिएंट मेडिवल एंड मॉडर्न आंसर द फॉलोइंग शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाई इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू पिन पॉइंट एग्जैक्ट डेट ऑफ द बिगिनिंग ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल ईयर हम एग्जैक्ट डेट क्यों नहीं निकाल पाते देन यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पीरियडाइजेशन जो हमने डिवाइड करा हिस्ट्री को अकॉर्डिंग टू ब्रिटिश historian describe what is meant for colonialism and why the British believe meticulously documenting their administrative activities. In long question, you have to how has history evolved as a study of changes over time. You have to provide example, discuss the significance of date in British colonial history. Now explain the three-period division of Indian history. So James Mill ने propose करा, right? Detail the impact of colonialism. आपको पॉलिटिक्स के टर्म्स में कल्चर के टर्म्स में सोसाइटी के इतना सारे टर्म्स में आपको बता हाउ डिड ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सर्व एज अ क्रूशियल हिस्टोरिकल क्यों ये एक क्रूशियल हिस्टोरिकल सेंसेस है हमारे तो हैव टू टेल नाउ आवर चैप्टर हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे